Ever felt that rush of excitement after a successful crypto trade or seeing your USD balance grow on Gemini, only to then hit a wall when it comes to actually getting that money or crypto out? You're not alone. The world of digital assets can feel incredibly accessible when you're buying, but when it's time to withdraw, many users encounter a maze of options, fees, and requirements that can leave them scratching their heads. It's like climbing Mount Everest and then realizing you forgot your descent gear. You've done the hard part, earning or accumulating. Now how do you safely and efficiently bring it back down to earth, or rather, into your bank account or another crypto wallet? That's precisely what we're tackling today. We're diving deep into the complete process of withdrawing both USD and cryptocurrencies from your Gemini account. This isn't just a simple click-by-click guide. We're going to unravel the intricacies, highlight the important details, and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your withdrawals. We'll cover everything from linking your bank account, understanding different withdrawal methods, navigating fees, daily limits, and those pesky holding periods that can sometimes catch you by surprise. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting your journey on Gemini, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for confidently withdrawing your assets. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about withdrawing USD, or fiat currency, from your Gemini account. For most users, this means getting your money back into your traditional bank account. Gemini offers a couple of primary methods for USD withdrawals: ACH transfers and wire transfers. The availability of these methods, along with their associated fees and processing times, can vary depending on your location and account type. The most common method for U.S. customers is an ACH transfer, or automated clearinghouse transfer. Think of it as a standard electronic bank transfer. It's generally free on Gemini's side, which is a huge plus, but always double-check with your own bank for any incoming transfer fees they might impose. The main thing to be aware of with ACH transfers is their processing time. While Gemini might show the funds as available for trading almost instantly after a deposit, there's typically a holding period of 4 to 5 business days before those funds become available for withdrawal via ACH. This is standard practice in the banking world to ensure funds have fully cleared. So, if you're planning a quick turnaround, factor in this clearing time. To initiate an ACH withdrawal, you'll need to have a linked and verified bank account on your Gemini profile. If you haven't done this already, it's a straightforward process within the Gemini interface. You'll typically provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Gemini prioritizes security, so they might require a small verification deposit or withdrawal to confirm the account ownership. Once your bank account is linked, you'll go to the transfer section, select Withdraw to Bank, choose your linked account, enter the amount, and confirm. It's a pretty intuitive flow, designed to be as user-friendly as possible. There's also a daily withdrawal limit for ACH transfers, which for U.S. customers is generally around $100,000. It's a high limit, so for most individual users, it won't be a barrier. Now, let's consider wire transfers for USD withdrawals. Wire transfers are a faster, but typically more expensive, option. They are generally processed within 1 to 3 business days, and sometimes even on the same day if initiated early enough in the business day. The key difference here is the fee. Gemini does charge a fee for outgoing wire transfers, which is usually around $25. Your bank might also charge a fee for receiving a wire transfer. Wire transfers are often preferred for larger sums due to their speed and higher limits, as there are generally no maximum limits on deposits or withdrawals for wire transfers on Gemini's side, beyond any internal bank limits. To initiate a wire transfer, the process is similar to ACH. Go to the transfer section, select Withdraw to Bank, choose the wire transfer option, and enter your bank details. Again, your bank account must be linked and verified. Make sure all details, especially the bank name, account number, and routing number, are absolutely correct, as errors in wire transfers can be difficult and costly to rectify. Always double-check before confirming. It's crucial to understand these holding periods, particularly for new deposits. If you deposit USD via ACH, Gemini often makes those funds available for trading immediately. However, they are not available for withdrawal until the ACH transfer fully clears, which, as mentioned, can take 4 to 5 business days. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that the deposited funds are legitimately in your account before you can withdraw them. Similarly, if you've recently purchased crypto using a debit card or Google/Apple Pay, there might be a short holding period, often around 15 minutes to 24 hours, before you can withdraw that crypto. This is distinct from ACH holds but serves a similar security purpose. Always check your Gemini portfolio or the transaction details for any pending holds on your funds before attempting a withdrawal. If you try to withdraw funds that are still under a hold, the transaction will simply be rejected, and you might see a message indicating a pending hold on your balance. Now, let's shift our focus to withdrawing cryptocurrencies from Gemini. This is where things can get a bit more technical, but with a clear understanding, it's just as straightforward. When you withdraw crypto from Gemini, you're essentially sending it from your Gemini wallet to an external cryptocurrency wallet, whether that's a software wallet, a hardware wallet, or another exchange's wallet. The most important piece of information you'll need for a crypto withdrawal is the recipient's wallet address. This is a unique string of characters that acts as the destination for your crypto. It's like a bank account number for crypto, but with a crucial difference. If you make a mistake in entering the address, your funds will likely be lost forever, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Therefore, always, and I mean always, double-check the wallet address. Many wallets and exchanges offer QR codes for addresses, which can help reduce the chance of errors. It's also a good practice to send a small test transaction, especially for larger amounts, to a new address you haven't used before, just to confirm everything works as expected. Gemini supports withdrawals for all the cryptocurrencies available on its platform. However, each cryptocurrency operates on its own blockchain, and thus has its own network fees associated with transactions. Unlike USD withdrawals where Gemini might charge a fixed fee or no fee at all, for crypto withdrawals, Gemini typically covers the network fee, also known as the gas fee for Ethereum or similar transaction fees on other blockchains. This is a great perk, as network fees can fluctuate significantly based on network congestion. While Gemini generally absorbs these network fees, it's always good to be aware that they exist in the underlying blockchain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.